Kiwi. Kiwi. We were down here earlier today before the tide came in, and we were down past the sign, and then a big swell came in and it washed us in, and even washed away the chain that we were holding on to, and that was a lot of fun.
A little bit scary.
So now the tide's reached its peak, and now it's slowly receding, but there's a couple little swells still coming on through here, so yeah.
So stay safe, everybody.
Waiting for the next one to come on this weekend. Madeline wasn't quite as bad as they predicted in this part of town, but we'll see how the next one comes through. I can't remember what his name is.
Lester.
Lester the jester will be through, and hopefully he won't be as bad either, but who knows. We'll see what the...
And your name is Kiwi?
Kiwi, yeah, I'm from New Zealand, live in San Diego. This is Bonnie.
How do you say it? What's your name?
Bonnie.
B-O-N-N?
yeah.
Yeah, and this is Tyler Lee. Say hi.
Hi, Tyler Lee. Be careful, little girl. What do you think of this storm?
Well, it's now a tropical storm, so it is what it is. These kind of things happen to us all the time.
But you said you've never seen one like this.
I've never seen it like this, no. I've lived on water here and in Florida, and I've never seen it at this high at all. I mean, earlier on this afternoon it was running all the way across the whole lawn and under the house, and I've got a pond at the back, and it seems to be living in there.